Whoa, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah.
One early summer morning, Rosa was shopping at the mall, just exploring her time. An average day having fun, just living her life. She walked to the counter, made her purchase, then headed right for the door. Hopped in the car and off she went to go shopping some more. But on the way she got distracted by the wave of a hand from a lady that's looking sad like her world's caving in. Rosa said, "You need a ride?" And the lady replied, "Yes I do, just down the street, about a couple of miles. See, all night I walked and I walked, now my feet feel bruised, and I can't wait to get to my room to take off these shoes." Rosa said, "What do you do?" As she looked in her eyes. "Anything," the woman answered. "While it supplies for my kids, it doesn't matter. I'ma do what I can. I sell my body, I sell drugs, I'll get food however I can. See, my man, he left me lonely, not a dime to my name. He left me no phone calls, no numbers, not a thing but all this pain." Rosa said, "I understand that life can be hard. That's why I don't never put your faith in man, but put faith in my God." By this time, they reached the motel. Then Rosa walked into the room, grabbed her hand, said, "Let's pray." And they prayed till the tears felt like rain dropped from her eyes. It washed away all the pain that she had bottled inside. Then as she turned around, on the way out the door, the woman tapped Rosa on the shoulder. Then she grabbed her shoes off the floor. Then she said,
"All I have is these red shoes. Please take them, this is my gift to you. I know they might not be much, but you can have them 'cause my heart's been touched. All I have is these red shoes. Please take them, this is my gift to you. Nobody's ever felt my pain, but then you came and I've been changed, yeah."
Sam was a youngster who was raised in the neighborhood where his mom brought him up in church. She did the best that she could. See, she taught him how to be a man when his pops never was there, how to earn a living with his hands when his pops never cared. But Sam, he dreamed of being great, though the neighborhood had changed. He thought he never could escape, so he turned to the game. He became a hustler on the block. He was selling them rocks. He made his living off of dope fiends while he ran from the cops.